Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video of Fable Beard Company. I am the apprentice, and today we're talking about me missing my facial hair.
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Yes, I admit it. I miss my facial hair. Obviously, I know it's slowly growing back. That is true. But just having it a longer beard like I had, it took me 6 months or even maybe a little bit longer to grow out the beard that I had a while ago. And then I made mistakes. I don't need to get into it, but mistakes were made. And now I'm on that story, on that journey back to try to grow it out. But you know what? The one part that I miss the most about my facial hair, my mustache. Oh, I miss my mustache. It was long, and it was ridiculously wide if I put enough wax in. It was very fun, and could do with handlebar mustache. I felt like a villain, even, the cartoon villains. I can't believe I just did that for a video. But my point is, I still really enjoyed that part. And honestly, I'm very excited about the growth process, it coming back. I don't want to say that I took my beard for granted, but this process is different because I knew that was the longest that I've ever had my beard, and now I'm watching the growth every day, seeing the process. And honestly, that's kind of fun. I am enjoying it. Now, I will want to keep my beard, when it's long, I'll want to keep it for a whole lot longer next time. But it's still enjoyable to watch it grow back out. I know my students, for those of you who don't know, I am a teacher. I teach middle school. And my students are used to seeing me with facial hair, even if it's not long, but at least it's covering my face. And we just started up another school year, and I kid you not, most of the students, first thing that they would say to me is, where is your beard? What happened to your mustache? And even students that I've never met before who somehow know me, they are asking about my facial hair. And every day they see me, they say, it better come back soon. By the end of this semester, it better be back. Or by the end of the year, it better be very long. And I can't help but smile at that because I know that they are also watching the progress that I'm going through. They're definitely not thinking about it the same way that I am, but I still find it to be a very fun experience to go through. Pause for a second. So the real reason for me bringing up this video is not just to talk about me, and all my beard stuff and everything. That'll be maybe for another time. But it's to talk to you guys about it. What's your favorite part of your facial hair? I really enjoyed my mustache, and I'm excited to have it back. What about you guys? Do you also like your mustache? Do you like the length of your beard? Do you like the density of it? Do you just enjoy taking care of your beard? What's your favorite part? This video should be about beard appreciation, and maybe you want to tag somebody in the comments about who you think has a really strong beard. Or maybe there's somebody who needs that encouragement. They're considering maybe shaving, and you should encourage them. Obviously, it's not a life or death situation if we get rid of our beards, but it's still a fun community to be a part of, and we should be appreciating each other and the process that we go through. So, adventurers, that's all I have to say, but please feel free to comment down below your experience with growing out your beard. Whose beards do you appreciate? There are quite a few people that come to mind. I'm not going to list them all, but there are quite a few people that come to mind about their beards that I appreciate. If you are looking for a channel that gives tricks, tips, and even stories for anything beard related, you are in the right place. Please consider liking the video and even subscribing. Toll the bell so you can get notifications whenever we do post. Fable Beard Company is always trying their best to put out new content for you, whether it's on YouTube, Facebook, or even TikTok. We are on TikTok, so if you have an account, look us up. Adventurers, as we say at the end of all of our videos, thank you very much, and may your beards be forever blessed, and fortune forever upon your door. Have a wonderful day.